light right here is the normal wash. This light right there is the heated dry. This light right here is the super scrub, and this light is where you start the dishwasher. Over here is the bottom of it. There's like a little lid right there. Yeah, but they can hear it. By the way, guys, if you can hear, I'm on the bottom of the dishwasher, and you guys can really hear it. That's really cool. I have to say, it's working really hard today. I never know what the lights like on top can. The lights are pointing the top of the under the countertop. That's really cool.